Okay, so what I'm seeing is that we tapped back into this bearish fair value gap on the 3-minute, and we tapped into it once, twice, and now I'd like to see a push up for the 3rd time and then shift to the downside. So this would be the leg down, and this is where I'd like to see the rejection, targeting this low on the daily. It's a low inside a fair value gap. So we made a big push up above these equal highs here. I want to see us just drop down now, otherwise I'm offside. I put my stop here because it's just above the mean threshold, so this is looking pretty good. And then I did just move my stop to this volume imbalance here. Okay, so we're tapping into this 3-minute fair value gap, so I do want to just watch that there. Okay, so we're coming up here. This is a 3-minute fair value gap, and then this is a 1-minute fair value gap. So looks like we're pushing up here. If we can break structure, I'm probably just gonna stop out if it doesn't already hit my stop here. I just moved my stop to these highs. It's basically break even. I just don't like how we're coming off of this. We're also going into lunch, so it can very well do anything at once. Okay, so I just got stopped out there. A little frustrated that I trailed my stop so tight. Yeah, I'm not gonna get mad at myself or feel FOMO, because there's definitely a lot more opportunity in the market today, tomorrow, whenever. I'm gonna come back after lunch, wait for news, and see. We sort of swept the highs of lunch, but because these were all equal lows that we took out with impulsive moves, I don't think it's a move down. I think it's just a deeper retracement to push higher. We pushed down, but there's not really any gaps in here until up all the way up here. So I'm thinking that we run up, but I do have sell side down here at 47.43 that I was thinking we were gonna hit. So we have news at 2, which is in 20 minutes. Right now we are delivering from this 30-minute fair value gap, so that could also be a sign that we're pushing up. Essentially, when news goes off, I'll probably try to look for direction and then target this bearish fair value gap if we're bullish, and then this daily sell side if we're bearish. I guess my break of structure is just over. I mean, we'll see when this candle closes. Looks like we're going for this daily sell side now. Okay, so we just grabbed lunch lows, like literally we just swept lunch lows and pushed back up. Okay, so I got in here and we just took out the 10 o'clock news high, and this is 8:30. I also moved my stop up to this 30-minute order block here, so I have 5 points locked in. I do only have 1 contract on though, so I don't want to give back too much of my profits. We are coming down a bit fast, so I did just lock in the 10 points, but I would like a chance for it to run, but I can just re-enter. So I'm just gonna lock in my 2R, and we were in this consolidation and I don't want us to be getting rejected from there to go back in or even down here. We are just hovering around equilibrium of this leg here, so we can really go up or down. I just moved my stop up because this is coming down, so pulled out of this consolidation and now we're coming back down. So I just got stopped out, 12.5 points. Pretty happy about that. We're coming up on power hours, so if something crazy happens, then maybe I'll jump in. I really don't care, honestly. I'm up on the day. I think I did well today. Yeah, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning.